You have seen the headlines. NVIDIA stock has exploded, and it seems like everyone is getting rich from the AI boom. But what if you feels like you have missed the boat? What if you are a beginner investor and you want to know how to find the next NVIDIA before it takes over the market? Well, you haven't missed it. In this video, I am going to give you a beginner's guide to investing in AI and GPU stocks and show you the exact strategies to identify the competitor that could be the next big thing. So let's get started. Section 1. The problem with investing in NVIDIA now. First, let's talk about NVIDIA. They have dominated the AI hardware space, specifically with their GPUs. But for beginner investor, buying NVIDIA stock right now can be very risky. The valuation is high and a lot of future growth is already priced in. So, what's a smart strategy? Instead of chasing the leader, let's look for the companies chasing them. This is where we find opportunities for massive growth. We need to look at NVIDIA's competitors and companies building the future of generative AI for developers. Section 2. Key players and true NVIDIA competitors. Who are NVIDIA's main rival in the AI and GPU space? There are three main types of companies to watch. First, the direct competitors in hardware. These are companies making the chips that power AI. The big names here are AMD and Intel. AMD is long-standing rival to NVIDIA in the graphic card space, and they are making huge strides with their Instinct MI series. Intel, on the other hand, is sleeping giant that's now aggressively entering the market with their gaudy accelerators. Second, the cloud giants. Companies like Google, Microsoft are building their own custom AI chips, like Google's TPUs. They are not just competitors, they are also huge customers for NVIDIA, which creates a fascinating dynamic. Third, the emerging startups. These are small companies or private firms that could become giant one day. We won't go in specific names here, but understanding this category is key financial logic to a great investment strategy. Section 3. How to find the best AI stock to buy. Okay, so you have identified some potential companies. How do you pick the right one? Here's the best way to invest in AI stock for beginners. Look at the partnerships. Who are they working with? Is a major cloud provider or a top AI firm using their chips? Evaluate their financials. Don't get caught up in the hype. Look at their revenue growth, debt, and profit margins. This is where your financial intelligence comes to play. A core principle from the book like The Intelligent Investor. Consider the entire ecosystem. A company's success isn't just about hardware, it's about their software and developer tools. NVIDIA's CUDA platform is a huge competitive advantage. Look for a rival that is building a strong software ecosystem. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about discipline, long-term investing, similar to advice you hear on podcasts like Smart Money. Now let's move to the last section, which is section 4, the investment strategies for beginners. So what's the simplest way for a beginner to get started? Instead of picking a single stock, consider a AI and GPU ETF. A ETF allows you to invest in a basket of companies, including NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and all others in a single purchase. This is a great way to diversify and lower your risk while still getting exposure to the AI boom. My personal advice is to use a platform like NerdWallet to compare different brokerage options and to make sure you are getting the best deals on the fees. So there you have it. The secret to finding the next NVIDIA isn't about guessing, it's about doing your research and making smart strategic decisions. The AI boom is still in its early stages. There is a massive opportunity for beginners who are willing to learn. Don't quit, keep learning, and start building your financial future today. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to increase your financial IQ. Thanks for watching.